Morning, welcome to another video. So this morning we've got a very frosty day. As you can see, Volvo frosted up. Frosted so much that if I click to open, the wing mirrors don't open. Oh, there you go, the door takes a bit of time to open. But what we're going to show this morning is the electric windscreen. Let's get the engine turned on and see how long it takes. So the engine is now on and the electric windscreen is on. This is a 2016 Volvo V60 and this is when it was part of Ford, so that's a Ford product. Actually, I didn't know I'd got this until it was cold and frosty one morning last year, and I was like, oh, that's quite handy. So we're already at 30 seconds. You can just begin to make out how it's going across all the windscreen. I've not put anything on this, no de-ice, not any scraping or anything. Can you begin to see the shape in this side here? You can see where the little electrical pieces are. Look at that, it's beginning to come through. So there you go, that's a minute. Definitely worthwhile having. I'm in the UK, woken up to a frost, and check that out. Very impressive piece of kit. If I pan back, you can see even more. My Greek flag flying in the middle there. Not that I'm Greek, but I just quite like the flag. That's a minute 40 now, and I reckon that's done. So listen, thank you for watching. Please drop me a like or subscribe. And if you've got one of these, what do you think of it? An electric windscreen, definitely worthwhile having. Thank you, bye bye.